Welcome to the container inspection tutorials. In this video we are going to learn about crossmembers, IICL imitations. Crossmember may be repaired by straightening, welding, inserting, and replacement. Crossmember flange do not require straightening except when necessary in conjunction with straightening web, and when ISO plus IICL minimum requirements are violated. Now let's discuss limitations on crossmember inserting. Sectioning is only allowed for hot-rolled crossmembers only. Commonly section is not allowed on crossmember. An insert must be at least 150 mm 6 inch in length. Top flange of the crossmember, securing it to the floor, must be left intact. If an insert would end within 150 mm 6 inch of another vertical weld, inserted must be extended to that weld. If an insert would end within 150 mm of weld attaching the bottom side rail to crossmember, that insert must be extended to the side bottom rail. Similarly, an insert begins at the bottom rail. It must be at least 150 mm or 6 inch in length. Welding an insert to the radius of the crossmember is not recommended. It is a good practice to leave minimum of 13 mm of the vertical web intact, if possible to attach the insert. When full-length overlapping angle installation is allowed according to IICL and ISO. Let's discuss. If damage to a crossmember extends along its entire length, but the top flange is undamaged, and the crossmember is properly secured, it may be possible to repair them by installing a full-length overlapping angle. Picture below shows graphical example. In this video we have learned 7 ISO and IICL imitations of crossmembers repairs, and criteria for full-length overlapping angle installation. Watch the video carefully and memorize. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.